Right? Factory. হিংসেরি কামন আরম্ভ হয়েছে হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ অনলাইন শ্রেণীকক্ষে সবাইকে সুস্বাগতম জানাচ্ছি। আমি প্রসেনজিৎ বড়ুয়া, সহকারী শিক্ষক, সেমি ডোলপাড়া উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়, বাহাদুরবান জেলা, বাহাদুরবান। এটা দেখে না একটু সবাই। এখানে একটা সিস্টেম আছে টেন্সের, পাস্ট টেন্স, হ্যাঁ, প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স, ফিউচার টেন্স। বুঝছো সবাই? এখন দেখে নাও আমাদের গ্রুপ ওয়ার্ক চলতেছে, গ্রুপ ভিত্তিক কাজ, গ্রুপিং ওয়ার্ক আর কি। What do you see here? Find out the difference among the picture. Present, past, present, future. Topic to the topics. Tense rapid. Learning outcome. After completing the class, we will be able to write sentence in different tenses, use the right form of verbs. Tense indicate time of an action. I go to a school regularly. I went to Dhaka yesterday. I shall go to Kumila tomorrow. Here the word written in red indicate time of action. There are three types. There are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Indefinite, present, past, future. Indefinite, continuous, perfect, continuous tense. Present tense. That's just why. Present tense একটু দেখো। Present tense indicate an action that take place in present time. Present tense are four types, and these are present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect. Present perfect continuous tense. Present indefinite tense universal truth, habit. Present indefinite tense mean universal truth, the action that is usual and the action that takes place regularly. স্ট্রাকচারটা একটু দেখে নাও সবাই। সাবজেক্ট প্লাস প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম অফ ভার্ব, প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স I ate, I ate, I ate, I eaten. Subject plus present form of verb. Subject হবে I eat a cake. I ate rice. Subject ate verb, rice হচ্ছে কিন্তু অবজেক্ট। প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট স্ট্রাকচারটা একটু দেখো সবাই। Keep in mind we add or is after the base form of verb if the subject in type present and regular number. He eats. এখানে সাবজেক্ট আছে, ভার্ব আছে, কিন্তু অবজেক্ট নাই। We add or is after the base from a verb if the subject is third person and regular number. I eat, he eats. In the visual world, identify the sentence that are written in present indefinite. I like tea. He is an intelligent boy. He came to Dhaka yesterday. Who is your food? We had a cow. দেখো নাও সবাই। Present continuous tense. Running, sleeping. Present continuous tense indicates an action that is taking place. Structure দেখানো একটু subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing. Keep in mind, gradually, day by day, step by step. Now these words indicate present continuous tense. Example একটু দেখো নাও. Example আছে I am improving gradually. Present perfect. January देखो ट्रीटमेंट ना. March, June. I have visited the doctor for 2 times. Present perfect tense mean an action that is finished, but the result is not finished yet. Structure of the দেখানো একটু subject plus have oblique has plus past participle of verb. Attention. The sentence that contains already, ever, never is in present perfect tense. Morning, evening. Present perfect tense means an action and that is taking place from first time. It has been running since morning. Present perfect tense means an action that is taking place from past time. Structure subject have has plus best from plus ing. I have been working as a teacher since 211. Assessment. It does to a school regularly. Filling the gaps. The heaven of it. You have answered. He goes to a school regularly. Therefore, does my work already do? Dash for 2 hours or read. At present, women an important role play. What does your name be? Homework. Write 5 sentences in present independent, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Thank you.